everyone, I'm Simon and this is Michael. Say hello, Michael. Say hello, waving. And I'm Michael Yap's Latte Dad. Quick episode this time round. Some exercises you can do with a baby. And literally you could do this anywhere because you're always going to be with your baby pretty much. And why not have a little workout? So things you could do include bicep curls, shoulder press, bench press, push-ups, abdominal twists and turns. The good thing is, because they obviously start out pretty small and light, but as they get older, they get heavier. So it's like your weight increases at the same time. Quick one there. So thanks for watching. Say see you later, Michael. Say bye-bye. Blow kiss. Yeah, good boy. Blow kiss. Blow kiss. Good boy.